G'day everyone and welcome to the ECM Livestock Market Report for today.
The 25th
of November
2015.
In a day we are told by young Johnny Alfred George Brewer,
The third
that it's a Baywatch sort of a day. He said lovely
Whatever
weather,
he means by
plenty
that.
of viewing. Johnny's off to schoolies next week, so we hope that he comes
good
back
luck there,
alive.
Johnny.
We're giving him a few pointers.
What happens on tour stays on tour.
Now, of course, that's what we've always thought. Now, okay, so we'll start off today with the, we have any cattle? We have 1170?
1173.
1173, and improved quality yarding overall. We had some really good lines of cattle, particularly in the export run. Dougal, how did we go with the bulls?
Yeah, about 30 bulls here today, so they must have listened to us last week.
They always do.
Yeah, bulls held up very well. Best bulls still making 290, so they're making 75 to 290, so very good to see that bull market holding up. Cows. Best of the cows. Probably 2 cents off. That would have been all it would have been.
If that, yeah.
Yeah, but most of those best cows are making 235 to a top of 245. So really good to see there. Lighter cows, you needed sort of $2 to 225. So they held up again.
Yeah, the barney cows are selling terrific.
Very good, very strong indeed. Export steers could have been probably only 6 to 8 cents off here. Still, you'll see in our report, they topped out at 295 on some really nice.
Well done, Tony Cuniel.
Yeah,
Out there, Joe
magnificent
Adger.
milk and 2-2 steers, they're fantastic. Heifers, they might have been maybe a few cents more, but you still needed 275 to a top of 290 there on the heifers. How's the trade, Paddy?
Yeah, look, I'm excited, Dougal. I'm really excited.
Big Kev.
Trade was fantastic. Well, big digs. No, the trade was excellent today. You saw the best of the Vealers making up, and yearlings sort of making up to 335 and 338. But the real hit was, last week here, the yearling heifers at 350, 450 were making 290 to 310. Strongest market in the state, they kept on saying on the National Livestock Reporting Service. Wagga Monday, 275, 285. We're thinking, oh, well, it's going to be cheaper here. No, back in Mossvale, 290 to 305, 308.
That's right.
So another strong market again for those sort of middle-of-the-run heifers.
Yep,
We
good
consistently saw the, steers,
Yes.
the feeder steers making 315 to 336. And the lighter restocker steers making from 315 to 342, which is
So
just...
that was fully firm, wasn't it?
Yeah, fully firm. I mean, obviously you're only getting 5s and 10s. Wasn't big licks of them, but we saw the start of the Yules calves out of Big Hill. They were 335, 336 all day. So it's consistent, and it's great to see. Bigger yarding again,
Yes.
bit of hot weather about, plenty of feed though, and plenty of confidence in the beef
I
market.
think there is indeed.
Now next week we're first sale.
Ah, yes.
Yeah, first sale, and is it Braidwood next week?
Yep, Braidwood.
Braidwood next week, which will include the Christmas party down in Braidwood.
Christmas party on Thursday night.
Yep, Thursday night, be at the Commercial Hotel.
Invite only, I think it is.
Oh, you'll be right, I'll get you in. No problems at all. So that's Braidwood next Thursday night. Other than that, all good. First sale
First
next
sale
week.
next week.
Talk to us from there. Okay.
See you then,
See you then, mate. Here in the bigger steers, they made 285 to 292. Here's a lovely yard of Tony Cuniels, making 295 for the 2-2s. Over here we've got some Brahman steers of Elvis. They made 284, followed by 280 the 4-2. Here's a load of the cows out of Braidwood, making 242, followed by 242, followed by, what do these look like, Dick?
These make 238.
238
Well
there.
done, Paulie.
Good work, Paulie. Good to see you still going.
And 239.
239.2, and here's some good cows here, 243.
243.2.
Excellent work. Here's a lovely yard of heifers, milk and twos out of the AC2, Dougal.
Indeed.
What'd they make?
275.
Milk and two weighing about 480, 500 kilos. Good result.